This video is being sponsored by RAMJOY. They sent me their hands-free automatic vacuum sealer machine. This machine is designed with digital touch buttons and an LED indicator. It has 5 adjustable modes for food storage. This keeps the food fresh 8 times longer than your normal storage methods. The food is protected from the deteriorating effects of air, which causes freezer burn and spoilage. Its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to store and move around. It also has an external vacuum system used for sealing canning jars, such as canisters and wine bottles. It also comes with 10 bags just to get you started. I will leave the link to this product in the video description below because this one here is a must-have. So let's get in the kitchen. Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. I know y'all been waiting on the Wayne recipe, and I got a good one for you today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a hot honey peach wing. Yes, they are delicious. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick roll call. Right here we have our flour, our chicken wings. We're gonna use some cornstarch to make those baby extra crispy. We have some peach preserves here, hot sauce, salt and pepper here. We have pepper, seasoned salt, and onion powder here, soy sauce, minced garlic, olive oil, and right here we have a peach liqueur. Now if you want to omit that, you can, but I highly suggest you keep it in there. Paprika and garlic powder. So these are the ingredients. We're gonna go ahead and get to it. All right, Lord, it looks like I had a card error again. So I've already dumped my cornstarch in a bowl with my flour. Now I'm gonna add our seasoned salt, onion powder, and black pepper. And we're just gonna give this a good whisk, just like that. Real simple. And I'm just gonna pull this aside and I'm gonna bring over our chicken. Like I said, I had that card error. I've already seasoned the chicken. I seasoned it with some salt and pepper, the garlic powder, and the paprika. So that's all you gotta do. Give it a good mix and you're good to go, all right? So next thing we're gonna do is get them floured so we can get them over here in this hot grease, all right? All right, so the only thing we're gonna do is take our wings, drop them in this flour, get them coated. Now you can also do this without flour. You guys don't wanna use the flour, that's fine. I like it with this particular recipe because it makes it crispy, and I like this particular sauce on these wings, so it works really well. But if not, if you don't want to do it, you definitely can leave that out. Now we have all our wings breaded. We're gonna head over to our stove and we're gonna get these babies baptized in this hot grease, all right? All right, so I have a few wings left over that I didn't use for this recipe, and the last thing I wanna do is put them in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. So what I wanna do, I'm gonna use my new RAMJOY hands-free vacuum sealer machine, and then we're gonna put them in the freezer to make sure we maintain that freshness. So right here we got our RAMJOY. It comes with the vacuum bag, and all we're gonna do is put our wings in here like that. Let's get this out of the way. You know, I'm gonna kind of put them in a single layer like this. We're gonna stick that in here like this. We're gonna hit vacuum. Guys, look at it, it's taking all the air out of it. Stop it. Then we're gonna hit seal. We wanted to seal that baby up. Guys, take a look at what we have. Oh man, vacuum sealed, man. You need one of these in your kitchen, guys. Now we can put that baby in the freezer. It seals in the freshness. So once it's time to use it, that freshness is sealed in. And guys, I'm gonna leave a link to this hands-free vacuum sealer machine in the video description below. You want one of these in your kitchen? Let's get back to cooking. All right, so our oil is at the right temperature, around 350 degrees. I'm gonna start dropping our chicken in here. We're gonna let our chicken cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Guys, always remember how big your chicken is, how hot your oil is, all that plays a part. But also, when it starts to rise to the top, you know that that chicken is almost done or it's ready. Okay, so our chicken is done. As you can see, it's risen to the top. Look at that nice golden color on it. That's what we're always looking for when we're getting that chicken. We're gonna add this to our rack. And I'm just gonna put this in a warmer until the remaining of our chicken is done. I got one more batch to cook, and then we're gonna come right back. All right, so we're done with our second batch. We're gonna add these babies also to our warming rack. And we're gonna set these in our warmer and let them sit there while we move over to our cooktop and start preparing our hot peach sauce, all right? Now we're gonna melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Now I didn't have this in our ingredients shot, but we are gonna use 4 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna melt that along with our minced garlic. And once our butter is melted, we're gonna start adding the remaining of our ingredients, like our hot sauce, our peach liqueur, soy sauce, and our peach preserves. So I wanted to add a little bit more heat to it, so I'm gonna add some red and green jalapenos in here, and we're gonna get this stirred up. You wanna reduce your heat down to a medium. And you wanna stir this and let it cook until it turns into like a syrup. This could take about 5 to 7 minutes. All right, guys, we're coming up on 6 minutes. As you can see, we have that syrup type texture or consistency. We're gonna turn this off, grab my measuring cup. I'm gonna pour this in our measuring cup. Now let's get our wings over in a bowl and we get them sauced up. And there you have it, guys. Hot honey peach wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, it's quality control time. You already know. Guys, take a look at them hot honey peach wings. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Oh man, they sticky icky, man. Sticky icky. You can hear the crunch. Oh man, if I got some on my mouth, don't even worry about it. Oh man, you definitely want to try these babies out. Oh, the sauce is not that hot. You can taste that butter flavor, those peach preserves. Oh man, and a little of that hot sauce in there. Oh man. Yep, I'm licking my fingers. So, I mean, I gotta get out of here. So, until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. Just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.